Upskilling existing workforces in green technology and retrofit skills is becoming increasingly important for employers in the region. So if you want to future-proof your business and if you want to future-proof your workforce, you're going to need to get that additional training to make sure that they're ready for these new technologies.
Retrofit is an approach to the renovation of existing buildings to make them more energy efficient. Also, it makes them a healthier, warmer and more comfortable place for people to live or work.
It often includes the upgrading of insulation in walls, floors and lofts, and then the upgrading of windows and doors. It also includes the updating of services such as heating, lighting and hot water. These measures can result in making your home warmer, reducing your carbon footprint, reducing the amount of energy that you use and hopefully reducing your energy bills.
There are going to be hundreds of thousands of homes across the city region that need to be refitted.
The scale of the challenge is huge and it cannot be fixed overnight.
There is a risk that if we don't take advantage of these opportunities to upskill the workforce, businesses won't be able to keep up with the demand.
You've got people in traditional trades like plumbing, electricians, you've got the installation and fitting of heat pumps, you've got the fitting of solar PV technology to people's roofs.
A retrofit assessor will go into a home to complete an in-depth assessment of what retrofit is needed. Some colleges are creating virtual reality material to learn in real-life scenarios. A retrofit coordinator oversees all of the retrofit works. They create a plan for the upgrade of the home and their skills are in demand. These are great roles for existing people in construction to transfer into.
We're the AMRC Northwest Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, which is part of the University of Sheffield. Today we had the opportunity to run a CPD session for further education staff across Lancashire, focused on the skills gaps that we think currently exist within the market. We help to bridge that gap between education and industry. In terms of what the industry is seeing around skill shortages, the technology and the understanding, and we can feed that back into the colleges.
This here is the Sustainability Centre at Blackpool-on-the-Fylde College. It provides the opportunity for employers and prospective students to showcase what retrofit looks like. We've got half a house with solar PV installed, electric car charging, the external wall installation, underfloor heating.
We as the AMRC Northwest, our doors are open to any manufacturer and SME within Lancashire and beyond via our funded and commercial opportunities. What's actually quite exciting is going out to businesses and saying, right, what are you doing from a sustainability perspective? What their net zero goal is. If you turn up and they say, we've got no idea what we're doing and we don't know where to start, that's just as exciting because we're in right at the start and we know we can make a difference to the business. Out of the efficiencies that are generated from manufacturing more efficiently and more effectively, you are going to save money.
What we're also able to do is we can tailor courses that you need around what you require for your workforce.
We are more than happy for people to get in contact with us. No problem is too small to approach us and say, where do we start? Just a case of picking up the phone, walking through the door or sending an email.
It's an emerging market, so we want to equip our next generation of engineers.
There's a massive skills gap in the workforce.
From the employer's perspective, they need to maybe take a more long-term approach.
And it's going to become more and more difficult for companies to make a profit if they're only delivering the technology and the skills of the past and they're not moving into these new areas.